Hello friends, this is a crochet Christmas angel ornament pattern. This is very simple and unique pattern, and this is the free pattern. You can make it easily, and in this pattern I am using 100% cotton yarn, and one 1.75 mm crochet hook, and one craft scissor. Let us start how to make this angel. Start from slip knot, and make 4 chains, and I am going to the 4th chain from my hook and make 1 double crochet. Now I am making the 10 more double crochet in the same stitch. Total 12 DC in the same stitch. You complete the 12 DC stitch. I have 12 DC stitch, and then I am joining it with slip stitch in the beginning chain. I have completed my first round, and then make 1 2 3 chain, count as a first double crochet, and make 1 more double crochet in the same stitch. I am making the 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Now I will make the 2 DC in the next 1 2 3 4 stitches. One, two, three, four, 5, and 1 more stitch. Make 2 double crochet. I have total 12 DC in this round, and then I am skipping the left stitches. I have skipped the 6 stitches, and the 6 stitches I am making 2 double crochet, and then I am making 3 chain, count as a first DC, and make 1 more double crochet in the same stitch. And then I am making the 2 double crochet in each stitch across. Total 24 DC in this round. I have completed my third round. I have total 24 DC stitch, and then for 4th round make 1 2 3 and 1 more chain, count as a 1 DC and 1 chain, and then I am going to the next stitch and make 1 double crochet, make 1 chain, and go to the next stitch and make 1 double crochet, make 1 chain, go to the next stitch and make 1 daisy stitch, and you repeat the same pattern in this round. Hello friends, I have completed my 4th round, and then cut the thread, and for next round you insert your thread or yarn in the, you skip the 1 2 3 4 5 loops, and you go to the 6th space and make 1 slip stitch, and make 2 more chain, total 3 chain in my hook, and then count as a first DC and make 1 more DC in the same loop or space, and 2 chain and make 2 more DC in the same space, and then I am skipping the next space and go to the next and make 2 DC, 2 chain, 2 more DC, and then you skip the next loop or space and go to the next and make 2 DC, 2 chain, 2 more DC in the same space. And then you skip the next space, go to the next. This is the last cell stitch. Two chain and 2 DC. You skip the equal space the two side. Here I have skipped the 1 2 3 4 5, and then you skip the other side also 5 1 2 3 4 5, and then you turn your work and make slip stitch and go to the space with slip stitch and make 1 2 3 chain, count as a first DC and make 1 more DC, 2 chain, 2 more DC in the same space. And then you go to the next space. You skip the 1 2 3 4 stitches. This is the next space of the previous cell stitch pattern. And you repeat this pattern 1 more times. You make the cell stitch pattern 3 times. I have completed my 3 lines of the cell stitch pattern, and then you start the frill portion of this dress. So you go to the this same stitch here. Make slip stitch and make 2 more chain, and then you go to the here and make 1 slip stitch, and then make 3 chain and go to the here and you make 3 chain and go to the 1 2 3 stitch. Here you join it with slip stitch and make 1 chain and 2 more chain. Count as a 1 single crochet, 2 chain, and go to the next stitch and make 1 single crochet, 1 2 chain, go to the next stitch and make 1 single crochet, 1 2 chain, go to the next stitch, make 1 single crochet. You repeat the same pattern, same stitch this round. You repeat this pattern. I have completed my frill portion, and then you take 3 chain, make 3 chain and go to the first stitch and make 1 slip stitch, then 3 chain, go to the skip the next 2 stitches, go to the third stitch and make 1 slip stitch, then 3 chain. Here you join it with slip stitch and cut the extra yarn. And your crochet angel is ready, and for you make for hanging you make this type of yarn thread and insert in the top part of this angel. You fold your yarn in 4 times and take your hook and pull through yarn. And cut the yarn and finishing your project. And your crochet angel ornament is ready for use, and this is a very unique project, and you can change your color of thread, and you also change your yarn. And please subscribe my channel if you like my videos, and thanks for watching. I have completed my frill portion, and then you take 3 chain, make 3 chain and go to the first stitch and make 1 slip stitch, then 3 chain go to the skip the next 2 stitches, go to the third stitch and make one slip stitch, then 3 chain. Here you join it with slip stitch and cut the extra yarn. And your crochet angel is ready. And for you make for hanging, you make this type of yarn thread and insert in the top part of this angel. You fold your yarn in 4 times and take your hook and pull through yarn. And cut the yarn and finishing your project. And your crochet angel ornament is ready for use. And this is a very unique project, and you can change your color of thread, and you also change your yarn. And please subscribe my channel if you like my videos, and thanks for watching.